TechnologyOne eyes a future with AI as enterprise cloud gains further steam. Australian enterprise software firm TechnologyOne has released its financial results for the 2017 financial year, reporting $44.5 million in after-tax profit on revenue of $273.2 million. Speaking with ZDNet about the results, founder, former CEO, and now chairman of TechnologyOne Adrian Di Marco said the massive market that is enterprise cloud in Australia is continuing to pick up pace. The cloud is a new paradigm for customers. The market is actually massive in Australia. There are government departments, which we've seen huge demand from federal government, state departments, local governments, universities. They all want to go into the cloud, and they really all want it delivered how we're offering, software as a service, not as a hosted thing, he said. The cloud is growing exceptionally fast. It's a business that's on a massive trajectory up, and we're excited about what we've achieved and what we're going to achieve over the next few years. TechnologyOne's annual cloud subscription revenue was up 84% to $18.6 million, and annual license fees came in at $119.9 million. Meanwhile, revenue from initial license fees was $61.7 million and consultation revenue remained at its 2016 total of $71 million. The cloud is a big area for us and a huge area of growth, but we're also a total solutions vendor. We don't just build the software, we also implement it and run it and support it for our customers. It's a total integrated solution of which consulting is an important part, Di Marco explained. Consulting is still an important part of the business, but the driver is the cloud and SaaS. The company's TechnologyOne Cloud reversed its 2016 $2.2 million loss, reporting a profit of $2.5 million for 2017. During the year, the company also added 112 new cloud customers to its books, including Austrac, the New Zealand Stock Exchange, the Department of Industry, Flinders University, Western Sydney's Cumberland Council, Queensland's Moreton Bay District Council, and TAFE Queensland. During the year, TechnologyOne found itself in a contractual dispute with Brisbane City Council, BCC. BCC terminated its contract, claiming the company failed to deliver on its systems replacement program that it previously said blew out in cost by some $60 million. At the time, TechnologyOne said BCC's wrongful termination of the contract was expected. Di Marco said he has moved on from the dispute with BCC. "I'm so over it. It's part of the past. It's done and dusted. It had no impact on the business as far as new business is concerned. We still had a massive year with local government. We pretty much dominated the marketplace," Di Marco said on Tuesday. "It really didn't impact the business at all. People just saw through it and saw it for what it was, which was a political stunt. We've put it behind us." Since handing the chief reins over to long-serving coup Edward Chong earlier this year, Di Marco said a big part of his focus has been more on innovation and creativity as part of its ongoing research and development, R&D, commitment. During the 12-month period, TechnologyOne spent $49.9 million on R&D. "We have a really full R&D agenda. R&D will continue to be a big area of spend for the company," Di Marco added. "But another area of focus for us will be in artificial intelligence, building that through the whole enterprise suite. So we've got a very full agenda for R&D for the next 5-6 years, which will create a lot more areas of growth for us as we continue that." Di Marco said TechnologyOne is eyeing huge opportunities over the next 5 years as more organizations move to the cloud, as well as capitalizing on the continued use of mobile devices. He said similarly there are opportunities as AI starts to become a real thing within the enterprise. University of SA partners with TechnologyOne for process automation. The University of South Australia has partnered with the Australian ERP software provider to bring its accounts payable and invoicing procedures into the digital world. ACMA seeks vendor to implement TechnologyOne ERP transition. The Department of Finance is leading the implementation of a whole-of-government shared and common services program, and the Australian Communications and Media Authority is next in line for the upgrade. TechnologyOne clarifies IRP certification about dedication to continuous improvement. The certification TechnologyOne received from IRP does not give it an automatic green light to provide the Australian government with a SaaS solution. Rather, it is a way of showing customers it is serious about continuous improvement and ticking as many compliance boxes as possible. TechnologyOne CEO and founder hands reins to current coup. TechnologyOne founder Adrian Di Marco will stay on the company's board when he hands his CEO title over to